Welcome to Sergio Creativity.
Welcome. In this session, we are going to build your Finnish using logic. There is no writing, no homework, and no memorizing. If you try to memorize, you will forget the logic. Just relax and speak. If you need a moment to think, just hit the pause button. Let's start with a solid building block, I want. In Finnish, this is haluan. Say it with me, haluan. Student, how do you say I want? Student, haluan. Good. Now let's learn to sit. It is istua. How would you say I want to sit? Student, haluan istua. Perfect. Now, I sit, the actual action, is istun. Note that N at the end, that is the I marker. Student, how do you say I sit? Student, istun. Now, let's imagine you are at a cafe. You are waiting. The verb to wait is odottaa. How would you say I wait? Remember the I marker, N, and because it's crowded, one T drops out. Student, odotan. Excellent. Now, while you wait, you look at or watch people. To watch is katsoa. How would you say, I want to watch? Student, haluan katsoa. Now we come to a very important distinction in Finnish logic. We have two ways to ask. If you're asking for information, we use kusua. If you're asking for a favor or a thing, we use pyytää. Imagine you are lost. You want to ask the way to the station. You're asking for information. Student, how do you say I ask? Remember the N marker. Student, kysyn. Good. But now imagine you are at the cafe and you want to ask for the bill. You are asking for a favor or thing. Student, how do you say I ask in this context? The verb is pyytää. The T turns to D when crowded. Student, pyydän. Perfect. You kysy a question, but you pyytää a coffee. Let's look at another pair of verbs that people often mix up, saada and pasta. Both can mean to get in English, but the logic is different. Saada is to receive something, like a gift or permission. Pasta is to reach a destination or to get somewhere. Imagine it's your birthday and you receive a present. You get a gift. Student, how do you say I get? The verb is saada. Student, saan. Correct. Now imagine you're stuck in traffic, but finally you get to the airport. You have reached a destination. Student, the verb is pasta. How do you say I get there? Student, pasen. Perfect. Let's test that. If you want to say I can go, I have permission, you say I get to go. Student, use saada plus mennä to go. Student, saan mennä. But if you want to say I finally reached the party, you use pasta. Student, how do you say I get to the party? Party is juhliin. Student, pasen juhliin. Let's do a quick-fire review of our building blocks. To sit, istua. I am waiting, odotan. I ask for a favor, pyydän. I ask a question, kysyn. I reach a destination, pasen. I receive a permission, saan. Brilliant! You've just mastered the difference between requests, arrivals, and permissions. You aren't just memorizing, you are seeing the internal logic of the Finnish mind. Nähdään pian. See you soon.